Hello from San Jon, New Mexico. I'm standing in front of the world's largest flip-flop. And there is, I guess this is the San Jon Yacht Club and the world's largest flip-flop. One of our first stops as we get out of New Mexico and head into the Texas Panhandle. There's an old Route 66 San Jon motel. So we'll see you down the road.
Motley Rue, where are you? We're chasing every scenic view. Motley Rue, just me and you. Cruising in the van like we always do.
We veered off to follow Route 66 and ended up just going quite a ways into the rolling hills and farmland of northeast Texas. Very cool looking. That's cool.
Yes, Route 66.
Oh, there it is. This is the old. You
Turn
drop
left onto East
in.
13th Street. Then at the next stop sign, you'll turn left.
Very much. We made it back to Catoosa, to the Blue Whale of Catoosa. And we got Motley Rue and coaches this time. So, how things change in a year. We were here last June, and none of the building was here. And this is all new. This is now the Blue Whale Visitor Center. I guess the city of Catoosa bought the property in 2020 to revitalize it. And here is the blue whale. There's the whale. And I'll show other video of it later on in this video. But I'm going to walk inside now and see what we see. Expanded. The gift shop. Oh yeah. Got a lot of... Hi. They made it much bigger, and now they got, what, a big event room here, I guess? Well, that's pretty neat. Ceiling is like waves. Huh. Very nice. Amazing how they got it built in just a year. 'Cause none of this was here. I think this was maybe the parking lot last year. So the history of the Blue Whale. Blue Whale was built by Hugh S. Davis, Boy Scout, photographer, zoologist, lecturer, father of 2, grandfather of 4, great-grandfather of 9, and friend of many. Hugh believed that every day was a beautiful day, that people should use the talents God gave them, that one should keep busy by thinking, planning, and creating, that people should love what they do and what they love, that you should always finish what you start, and that you should enjoy life and live it to its fullest. The pond on the Davis property was always a fun place. Before the whale was built, kids who were friends of the Davis' son, Blaine, and daughter Dee Dee swam, canoed, and dug out African canoes, played King of the Hill by throwing each other off the large floating rafts, and fished for perch and bass. They picnicked in the summer and skated on the ice in the winter on the pond. And Hugh's children grew up, and the pond was quiet, but not for long. When Blaine had sons John and Paul, their favorite place was across the road, building and exploring with their papa. Hugh always had a project in the making, whether it was building furniture, creating an alligator ranch, or constructing an ark. He was always busy. After his retirement from the Tulsa Zoo, he devoted all of his time to developing facilities to educate people about nature. First, he built the Ark with its cute cutout wooden animals smiling at the kids who celebrated birthdays there, and then the Alligator Ranch and Nature's Acres with its live alligator, snake, parrot, and prairie dog village. In the late 1960s, at the age of 60, Hugh began to doodle pictures of a fish that he wanted to build at the pond. From that fish evolved the whale. Larger and larger he grew, from sketches on napkins to drawings on oversized sheets of paper. Hugh left notes about the materials he used to build the Blue Whale. Right off of Route 66. In the late 60s, he began to doodle a picture of a fish he wanted to build in the pond. He spent 2 years, 1970 to 72, building the whale. Up until last year, it was just a tiny little building that had a little gift shop in it, and they had a bathroom and this funny little hut-shaped building that I'll show you here from when we were here last year. Roadside trash. Okay, so we are at a historic Route 66 roadside attraction called the Blue Whale in Catoosa, Oklahoma. The Blue Whale of Catoosa Visitor Center. That is the name of it. It is on historic Route 66, mile marker 959 of Route 66. With a little hut is the bathrooms and a little bench. And this little shanty here is a gift shop and maybe a little refreshment stand. Some tables. This way, baby. Come here. Oh, so I guess they actually used it as a pool deck and swam off of it. It has ladders coming up onto it. Nice little pond. Come on, Rue, let's go to the end. This is the tail. The blue whale. Hold up. I don't know if there's bugs in there. The end of the... Pretty cool how we built it, huh? Is that like piping and rebar? There it is from this side. I guess there's fish in there. See the ladder? Guess they swam in the pond and used this probably to jump off and climb back up. All surrounded by woods. Oh look, there's a slide. Its fins were slides. Oh, that's neat. Oh, how creative the man was, Mr. Hugh Davis. See the steps. One with one step that you can here slide down into the pond. Ain't that cool? Motley Rue, want to go slide into the pond? Come here, let's look down this one. And, oh, it must have had an upper, have an upper deck maybe. They jump off the top. So there's that slide. Oh, how fun. Up, up. Okay, go ahead. I don't know what, looks like it was just a higher deck up top. Maybe they can climb up there and jump off of it. But we are in the mouth of the blue whale. Those are its teeth. Oh, there's some. Oh yeah, I guess if they went up top. Hold on, let's back up here. They could look out, see? Through the holes, its eyes. If they climbed up that ladder to the top deck. And is it wearing a hat? Looks like it's wearing a hat. That must have been like a little kind of treehouse sort of hideaway place up there. Oh, there's the holes in the side. I guess that's its nose holes, not its eyes. There's its eyes. And its fins that were the slides. And then its tail was the back part. Oh, look at the little old picnic tables they got for it. It had little whales. Huh. What a neat little attraction. It's cool. All the sites on Route 66. Hello. What a cute little place. Everything whales, huh? It was built in the 60s. Let's see what the bathroom looks like. Oh, okay. Yeah. Bring her in, I guess. This is the bathroom. There it is. So that's across from the Blue Whale, the Arrowwood trading post. Looks like it's abandoned. But I bet it was one of the original Route 66 trading posts.
5 miles.
And the speed limit's 75 miles an hour, but not real comfortable doing that on these roads. Very sneezing through it all.